Hi, for today's project, I want to demonstrate how to use photoresistor with LED using the Tinkercad simulation software. And for the table of content, it has project overview and of course the requirements of the components. And for project overview, this project is to demonstrate how to turn on an LED or turn off the LED based on the photoresistor detection values, such as if to turn on the LED if the environment is too dark, or turn the LED off if the environment is bright enough. For example, in the morning, so the LED will be turned off. As for the component requirements, we can use either Arduino Uno or Maker Uno if you are making the physical prototype. For the Tinkercad simulation, we will just use Arduino Uno because that's the only microcontroller in the Tinkercad. So we will use one Arduino Uno for this project. And we will need one breadboard, one LED, two resistors. Why we need to use two resistors is that we need one resistor for the LED, the another one for the photoresistor sensors, and of course 5 jumper wires to connect all the sensors together. So for the connection of the sensors, first I will bring out the LED. We will connect the LED first. I'll set the LED color as green and bring out one resistors to the minus to the ground pin, and wire the positive of the LED to any of the digital pins of the Arduino Uno, as you can see here. Okay, and now for the photoresistor part, we have to wire it like this. Let me demonstrate. So for the terminal 1 of the photoresistor, we have to wire it to the positive, to the 5 volt. Okay, as you can see here. And for the terminal 2, we have to wire it to the analog A0 here, and let me put it as yellow color. And we have to bring out one resistor here. Let me turn it to horizontal, and it has to connect it to the terminal 2 of the photoresistor, and from here we have to wire it to the negative, which is the ground. Okay, and for the code, let me show it here. For the first part, we have to define both the sensor pin to the A0, and as well as for the LED pins to the digital pin 2. And for here is to set the sensor default value as 0. So for the void setup section, we have to start the serial here, and also the LED pins to set the pin of the LED pins as output. For the looping, first here is to read the voltage from the sensors and convert it to a number between 0 to 1023. Okay, so this is how it is. And the if else statement here, so if the sensor is over like a certain threshold, for here is like 540, right, the LED will be turned on. Yeah, so this digital white here LED pins height is to turn on the LED if the sensor value is exceed certain threshold. For here is at 540. Else it will turn off the LED, which is here digital white LED pin low. Yeah, and here is to print out the sensor values to the serial monitor, as you can see here. So now let's run the simulation and see what will happen. So here the sensor value is below 540, so the LED will not be turned on. but if I slowly increasing, okay, so now it's over 540, the LED will be turned on like this. Okay, and yeah, this is how a photoresistor works lah. Yep, basic of the photoresistors.